Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and block someone on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, tap on your Snapchat app on your mobile phone. Simply go back to the home screen. Right afterwards, all you have to do is again tap on this chat icon beside and access your chats. Over here, simply go ahead, choose a person that you would like to block. Press and hold and tap on this option of manage friendship below at the pin option. And now you will find this three option: report, block, remove friends. You can also choose to report them if there is a particular reason or harassment for you to do so, that you would like to block them. Otherwise, you can also choose to tap on this remove friends. They will simply be removed from your friend list. If none of that is your concern, simply tap on this block. Again, reconfirm it and you will be able to block that person from your Snapchat just like that. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.